Okay. You have to get you in the video too.
It tickles and it's cold.
We're both doing each other's nostrils. With the music in the I can't deal with this music. Lean back. Okay, they're like in my nose. Sarah, stop moving so much. Lean back.
We have to do
Lean back. Lean back. I'm almost done. If you'd stop moving so much. I can't do this. Is that good? I don't know. Not up here. There we go.
Wait, check to see.
I can't.
Just lean over there.
What? I'm almost done. Stop looking up. I'm almost done. I'm done. You're like a little piggy.
Okay. Alright, now let's look at the Alright. I can smell it. Okay, now let's record our reaction.
Okay, hold on.
No, come on.
I don't like this song.
No, come on. Leave it. Leave it.
Sunday, Bloody Sunday.
Ready? Come in here.
Did you look at yours?
Oh, right now.
Mine is orange.
Mine looks red and bloody.
I'm an orange piggy. Now we have to pull it up. You look like a pig.
You're a jerk. Let me see yours. You look like a pig too.
But I have an orange nose. Yours is actually pink like a pig. Put your face down more. I don't know how to shut it off.